A very good afternoon, everyone. And myself, Priya, is back with the Hindu editorial analysis from the Hindu editorial session, which is given on 8 August 2020 from the Hindu newspaper. In this editorial session, I am going to cover you the vocabulary part and the two articles which are given in this editorial session and the words which are very difficult to understand. Okay, we'll move on very quick and faster into the session. The two topics of these editorial session are alert amid uncertainty and the other one is consolidating control. First, we are going to discuss alert amid uncertainty. So, this topic is about our Indian economy. We'll go deep into this article and we'll discuss about this. The RBI holds interest rates citing concerns about inflation outlook. RBI means Reserve Bank of India is holding some interest rates citing, we already discussed many times in this editorial session. Citing is nothing but to mention concerns. Like concerns is nothing but worry, issues about inflation outlook. The RBI has prudently decided. Prudently, what is the meaning of prudently? The parts of speech of prudently is adverb. Meaning of it is wisely, thoroughly, carefully. For example, it's always prudent to read a contract carefully before signing it. What does mean by that? Something which we need to take it very carefully. Decided to keep its powder dry for now. What does mean by powder dry? Powder dry is nothing but to handle it carefully. Citing the extreme uncertainty, mentioning the extreme uncertainty that characteristics the current outlook for inflation and economic activity. Observe that the unprecedented shock from the pandemic has left the economy stressed. The RBI said that while the Monetary Policy Committee recognized the supremacy of supporting a recovery, it was necessarily mindful of its inflation targeting mandate. What is meant by mandate? Compulsory, mandatory, compulsory, unprecedented. What never done or known before. Never done, the thing which you did not do before or which is unmatched. Let us take an example. Unemployment has reached an unprecedented level. Like unemployment due to this pandemic, there is a great fall in employment in this 2020. So what are they saying is unemployment has gone down in an unprecedented level. Observing that the unprecedented shock from the pandemic has left the economy stressed. It gave a lot of stress to the economy. The RBI said while the Monetary Policy Committee recognized the primacy of supporting a recovery, monetary funds, RBI needs some funds. It was necessarily mindful of its inflation targeting mandate. The picture on prices is clouded by many uncertainties. While the provisional June CPI inflation means fall down. Reading of 6.1% has edged over the upper bound of the mandate medium term goal of 4% plus and 2% minus. A spike in food prices as well as cost push pressures from higher transport fuel and raw material prices were combining to obscure the inflation shock. Unclear. Obscure is nothing but uncertain, unclear, and hide, conceal, cover. For example, his answers were very obscure and confusing. The picture on prices is clouded. Clouded also indicates, suppose if rain is falling, clouds will cover. So, the picture on prices is very unclear by many difficulties. While the provisional June CPI, how the economy is falling down, they indicated in this sentences and vowing to ensure that policy stance remains accommodative for as long as needed to revive growth. Vowing acts as a noun. Vowing is nothing but promise to do something or else swear. For example, from the day on she vowed never to trust him again. What is the meaning of this example is, she promised on one day that she will never trust him. So promise to do something or else swear. I think the meaning is very clear to you. Vowing to ensure the policy stance remain accommodative for as long as needed to revive growth. Revive is nothing but resuscitate, bring to life. For example, my plants revived as soon as I gave them some water, like resuscitate or plant to life. Revive is nothing but going. Okay. And the next one is, Governor Shaktikanta Das emphasized that the RBI was ready to take act on rates once a durable reduction in inflation was cited. Like what we discussed about revive is, it's to bring to life, bring back how we are expecting. So Governor Shaktikanta Das is saying that he will emphasize the conditions of the economy as soon as inflation is reduced. For now, however, the projections remain less than encouraging. Like projections are not coming how we are expecting. The latest round of households expectations of price gains in an RBI survey shows that consumers expect inflation to remain elevated in the near term. A finding that the RBI's assessment broadly backs. The prognosis. What is my prognosis? A statement of what is judged or what is likely to happen. So prognosis and other one is diagnosis. These two words are having different meanings. So diagnosis, what we do, like we go to diagnostic test. If we are having any problem, they check and they say. Prognosis is nothing but to have an idea before it comes. A statement of what is judged likely to happen in the future, especially in connection with a particular situation. For example, the prognosis after the operation was a full of recovery. I think it's very clear to you, and we'll move on to the next vocabulary words. And on the economy is also worrisome. While the RBI expects the rural economy to turn in a robust is strong recovery on the back of a strong showing by agriculture. A deterioration in the consumer sentiment in the central bank's July survey undermines the prospects for a more broad-based revival in domestic demand. How the prospects are going on, what the recoveries, and how the survey has gone in the July. Everything is in the sentences they included all this. Additionally, external demand faces headwinds from a world economy in recession, and as global trade shrinks is nothing but contract. Headwinds is nothing but wind blowing directly from the front. Headwinds, like head itself indicates headwinds. So when the wind is coming and striking our face, there it may be some problem also. We can say it even like that. For example, the runners had to battle against the strong headwinds. Okay. Forecasting a contraction. It's forecasting a contraction in real GDP in the current fiscal year. The RBI rather optimistically posits. Optimistic and pessimistic. Optimistic is nothing but good behavior, good thinking. Pessimist is nothing but bad behavior. And the next one is that an early containment of the pandemic may impart an upside surprise to its outlook. Interestingly, its analysis of the macroeconomic environment, micro, small, macro, big, macro, large, or very big environments curves to the potential challenges that heightened tension with China, one of India's largest trading partners in recent years, a source of inbound, outbound. Inbound means traveling towards a particular point. Outbound is traveling from outside. Inbound, like it is coming inside. Outbound is going outside. or it's coming from another country, or it's going out from another country is nothing but outbound. For example, we expect delays in both inbound and outbound trades. And next one is, the central bank has therefore opted to focus its energies on trying to untangle the kinks hindering the flow of credit amid more than adequate liquidity vary lenders and severely stressed borrowers. The restructuring resolution and enhanced gold loan proposals mooted with the RBI acknowledging the sheer scale of the pandemic's devastation on the finance of firms and households. Okay, how are they facing? In this struggled economy, banks also must give some loans to the borrowers and to the farmers, everyone else. The onus is nothing but duty, responsibility, burden, or obligation. For example, the onus is on the management to come up with a balanced budget. Governor Das indicates Shaktikanta Das to ensure that the stability of the financial sector is safeguarded even as loan terms are reset to protect otherwise viable businesses. Any harms to financial stability risks undermining the economy as a whole. Yes, any harm to the financial sector gives a problem to the total economy. Our article has come to an end. The first article is completed. What are you thinking the tone of the article is? It's not descriptive, it's not informative even. I am thinking that it's suggestive. Okay, I am very thankful to everyone who are watching this video.